Absent for me na kwaba braso say den ko twetwe ebrem 144 and obetumi de wadwenkyere about program so na issues me no na yehwe yedi kan efa sa police recruitment here ho asem abaye dadwa yi den na ebe ya betumi si ano kwan se sa de no obi mfa sa Africa dam no enkoye nipa be se ahanu obi afa ne bucket ene ne mattress se oko police wa krakra obi okra me sure say adwuma a oye wagyan because when your police air kunti na obetum sasem no ebintumi ensi Ghana ha say biem eno yankoma ya bedwetwe no ho echi all kind graphic Ghanaian Times anopay was it Timbila heads back police panin pa asem ye de akwakofor for no was onim ho hwe yese ya bona sensen etunu asensen ne kwan so ano no anase etesen Ghana dimfinhia aduenum enwotwe nanu fiada na yakobo ho nsra se de bia ye no ye bisa se bia ye du no hefa na ye fira ye kobim ya re nkai se ye ya asase ni ya borden ne emayen moja na nanum hwie guye nyade to ho ma yen se adu me ne wo soso se ye beye bi ato aso na nimdie ntra so nkotokra na ne apesame nkumenya yese no na adi ebre mu dem a amaye men soso ayete se de atie kwa be ne befa so a yebetu saa nimdie ntra so nkotokra na ne apesame nkumenya na ase na o man yetimi atumpon akoya nim se de ye pedo no anopay ye nuanu no mo twetwe nkomo animunyamfo honorable Emmanuel Martin Ejiako honorable MP also West Wogon constituency our fans was Santana Market papa honorable kwaba so our fans was Santana Market
oh say me omo MP na de do makoma so pass so ye mo djuma ya nipa de say
places bebre oponglo num nyina oduru ho af ono oduru omfaka o nam na o jinja yes 2016 so honorable beko na you know
oh eyemisem BBNC
now they would need slogan be because who knew so no there yes I said yes Namuel say Namuel yes Namuel anyway
they make can say the whole plane
okay at the whole plane one time
oh say at the whole plane
all right honorable ni Amasa Namuel MP la the Kotopon constituency and the young bro your friend Awonye on the Kenkeni heavy pa number 1 the whole world were don't know about Kwaba
so
pombo kodie
nyamena dum bibia beko
okay Honorable Jako police for asemi ansa na be Ghana so police asemi so what it be a sha ase kitenkete yesi nipa bi asi nipa bi na to mba bi wo ho ana
yes mami bi oye
yes mami bi tonkuto afi wo ho yesi radio presenter bi afi yesi sofu bi afi yesi police fu mienu bi afi yesi police panin police force omo sa task force no mo yom the investigation IGP na nkasa kan ho bi na so utie over the weekend police penny or customer police for nature say the usi kan was in the pebi ma kan some dey kwa for police penny ente say initially crowd dey say man house arrest afi obeka so wa nkan sa musi dey bi nyesa ni interdiction but sasam na nkasa no minim say the musi hunu because mate say parliament so kura mo say mo ye interest say ka munya mo kura nka mo kura mo behwehwem bi enti
me so mate defense and interior for mate so mo can be sir but I'm say at this stage at a committee level into no mean to me is there say the wusi kan na say na me so makan
but serious
you did kan me chetie for nyina titru me che Santana Market for
okay
na ma che opomro for
yo
ma che abalishi ni aglashi for nyina me che Wesley gone for
okay
me che University of Ghana for so wa settle down omo suade onyame nka omo nyina omo police asemi didi kan asema ba ye fantini be ka se omunyo
enye
kra se police bibi se itimisia omo boy ho ban bibi se itimisia na kire se ade no aduru akire de meka efian ati lawyer for me say let me place a caveat. Well, police as an institution, ehun hia pa, ehun hia first line of civil defense no. Ya yeti he nyina enne anase china asembia to yen our only recourse is the Ghana police. Enti no ye ka asem na e wosi ye kan ye na ankoye se akwada no owom no ya tu nsuo no agu no nsuo fi no ya tu nsuo no ene akwada ni nyina afra se ade bi a enye ade bi a emfata ade bi a ense akoso a mumi anka se ade bi a enye ade bi a ense ade bi a emfata akoso na yesi asemboni so nti na ye chedin se obi na ye ya papa yi kura ya boni din ene mehwe Ghanaian Times ono so osi enyo no a the man has stated very clearly that Timbela hits back. Any. Oh, okay. And you know, media say yes, you're interdicting a year. Until there is a finality to the report, he is only thought and as suspected to have done something.
But honorable enyo because as anybody also come organize a press briefing no. Chile mu say it couldn't letters no more can into me free police in the fact to say police no among nyado mo betna ase
ka say minim no wachiri kakra na sabi obi a wadi police panyi pa di regional commander Kumasi di regional commander won kran say say director general of human resource development
Ghana Police Service COP
commissioner of police ufri wa de obekọ ni agi oh enti no media me feel say ye makwan na nhwehwemu no nko si awieye se ni etie bia no aye me se asemi babia akodru ne enimguase ne edi aka omo no dey sure say omo behwehwem edi ye atoyi but me no kakra me ka ho ne say eba ye yetete nsem no bebre yesi we na kofa ba ye we na ka ho we na koye ye we na ankoye ofa me de me ka ne say yen ye amanyoko me kan maamo NDC din na maamo MPP din me si yen ye amanyoko no e wo say ye sua say ye beti ye hu afri aban nnwuma public civil and public service on eba ye enam se NDC na woso yi yati se nkofo bi kwase omokoje omo form free NDC office me si yati o enam maka enso se e wo se amanyoko me mo NDC ena me mo MPP but me say amanyofo yensua se ye beti ye ho a free civil and public service hwe nansan police ni panyi pa baako akika nsem bia eba besi we so o kire se amanyofo yan montim ho edu police recruit so a se MPP na wo mu a na ayese yan fa MPP fo nko an nkogumu NDC fo na wo mu a sa maybe west
mo so kwato da mu kura mu nya sure se nipa na mo ba no kura mu ye MPP fo na mo nya MPP fo
then dey say una wa ban mu enti no wo de wagene hu se nkrafo na wo de koye public and civil service institutions no eya me say we must allow them mumma yema omu kwan na omu nya omadwuma ansa na obekọ police mu no kwan bi o wa omu hwehwe criteria can say
kwan ya say kwan ya twa to ho say wo be fa so akọ police
e wo say utintin koye sei e wo say wakọ school akoduru sei e wo say uye wei e wo say uye medically fit e wo say uye wei e wo say uye Ghana ni mesrese ye nyina particularly political class we will step back out of all of this.
How do you do that?
Why can't we do this?
Mamu be ye
me just say asama bay for me this is an indication say if we continue like this see at once to say ya amasa enya adia ebe ye papa amayen na police nko Oti soldier. Oti Air Force.
Immigration.
Oti customs. Oti even the civil service. Yabaka kaze wenum dia yemfa omo bi. I say if ye twa sa kwan yi so a. Oh how ni oye na ebeba ye nyina so o mamu hanom no. Enye. Ye politicians. Dia ye no. Yesre amanfo se omo to abamayen na yenkoye no. Yenkoye. Na yengai of course. Obi beka say a system of patronage. Wankoye asesia na mole wankoye wo Labadia. Yete se police, yefa police for na say Labadi fo be bisa na say wentimi anya hwehwe a. So boy de ba bono no. Yabeka say MP alo
onye Oba onye hwe.
Oh, asaba be kapa say na mole. Anasa me. Ona wale kra de so wa ban mu say. Na me opposition party person. Asema e be kan say MP obaye omboa obia ontimi for obia anko police ontimi for obia anyewei ontimi for obia anyewei e bia young politicians no and you create impression in the minds of people say me ba me di mu be ko police me ba me di mu be ko soldier me ba me di mu be ko immigration na afa ye di niam bia ye ntimi nya akyekyere ye ho
nti mo betimi a agina obi ani maka kye ne se paatwo we die enye MP adwuma ayade mo betimi ayesa
didi o because
the enti America say me die me na no me kan bi fa me hu de ye abranti bi wo ha no aba o se okopa adwuma wo company bi me modi na obaka kye ne se ompo bi o social influence na me se social influence no bae me wo bi adwuma ha wo kan me nim obi a wo ti me sraw eno die me nim ye me ntimi nya so apply na nya wo apply ya na be fa bi kura da bi kura na ya fa ti kotwen e wo fie na fa bi ko
na o se obi anto ababa wo
ndira meka no
obi anto ababa o ti betimi akane
maka na mo so mutimi ka
dabi o media me no me feel say de asie asemu asie e wo se eboye kokko e wo se ye nyina se amanyofo media me no that is the angle I want to take it from. Well, because ya nya say eventually institutions na na yes say no. Institutions na yes say no. And na NDC e bia e kina e just e bia e kina e ba all means e kina e ba MPP.
Na all means o kina be MPP.
Oh, into no yen say no asamo abey. Say sabio asamba ani nyina Bible o se sela.
Epusu yen.
Me say nyama ya titie ne bi nsem o ya keka no me metena enka se nsem a ya titie ene ye na keka no ni nyina na ye no kure but enam say ye kan mo me ye fa mo ye kokoko nanka ebeya nanka ya find way bi atie ho afisa ne mem kakra because me mo
agye wa home wo ho
okay
na me bisa wonua se obe accept sa challenge na but ono so wo de obe Canada honorable wonua se ebeya karipa nyina me so kra bia me expand ne waka no se nye politicians nko a but obia sa ade na abaga na ha koye se nipa no wo ko bi ofi se wo se obi na de ne kono ade ebetimi aye free system no mu a pacho mintie sa asem police asem ya abai efi na no besi ye na ebesi ba police pani dia nyina no so de ntie ne obeka fa ho
when they can make sure that the Kotopo say no more meeting ho. Now 2016 me contest. Idea make case me contest. Intran ko fuba from say na mwale yes na mwale. Movement for na mwale. This me that one say someone am.
Just a grofo tade children dey I
say na mwale yes na mwale.
I just okay say.
Omota no do.
Na me chiam nyina me sanso chia Ghana fo nyina ne omo ehwe nyina omo dawroma onyakopa maye nkwa na ya betra TV so aye kasa police scam asem we say no me dwene ho a ya na mentiase se nipa tumi nya akokuduro na waje nkrofo ni sika na wasa aye fake letterhead na dia man nkrofo no me tumi kasi timbila oka ho bi but I don't think he can be that dumb say I will use fake letterhead to let them come to the police headquarters. I don't want to me say that can even exonerate him, being because it can't be that dump. A whole COP, director of human resource, it can't be that dump. But well, almost investigation. And once a set committee, police for an investigation. Na matete nsem yusu say and na say police for investigate but on be kata nyama so enye sa on na some investigation no emra che some na some ye sa investigation no say na judge bi eko ye bibi a enya judge na be dina
judicial service na na hwe
there be judge na be dina sem
oh yes of course ni nua judge
ni nua judge be dina sem no che say judge no onya de pam gi say police for no nye papa no no be say no kra say oka ho a be hu e bia nkofo na omo aye we say no they want to implicate him because maybe some time ago no omo ni nyema league B sao account we say the coach SK go account money that day because I hear say they are quoting his account no money that day but I believe say we speculation me gidi say we on count but e bia ono wa ye bida enti on afa ho wi nam na e fe yakochi won no na obe so mga so wake up e na ye bida e na omode sansemu ya ba but nyan kota nche ba wo hwa wo se nyina wo busa ho se adentina you lose your self confidence say Ghana for you lose some self confidence obi pe adwuma no the CV abro say jikop adwuma ma no obi a we wie university wako university awie na o maami a oye illiterate na semi illiterate na ono wanko university ni bi na do CV ama o maami se onko kopa adwuma ma o na se meti sase mi a me frɛ o maami no ba me si pacho frɛ o ba no ma me no ba me busa ne se onu maami na ko university na wo a wako university a o maami wanko bi no na odi o CV ama o maami se onko pe adwuma ma o na ya kwaya okwaya na so ba na je university na edi na kosuan na wa wie university wo so ya administration na wo application wa tro crap no e bon kan na me busa say wo pese wo join civil service na okoya administrator na wo be draft speech ama minister ni chief directors ni ade na wo anka select kapo ni butro no na okoya na so ba obi be tell me the last time see my applications bebre maintain them because you are writing wrong application and for sample of your application bra or the buy no or my mwemo na because what application no what I wish to apply my age is this well mechanical accuracy is bad make possible mistakes
o mark won anim ha
na me nyi application over na me share no some simple mistakes bi omo ya na see ye shortlist here you who sap ke beto nche now busa say ye commenters no e da go so be kai ye tro commenters no sa application write an application for employment as a messenger in the post office commenters your middle school ye sua say na man nyina ye ko secondary school ogundipe book 2 and 3 ha ye tro silence nyina ho no eti why say onipa to me ko we university na onim say you application no lose the self confidence asema ha kakra enti osio yesi se unimu obi a
oh yeah Mr. Kasa na that's the talk
na so tawo chi a na maka say okay me ntawo chi with that use my language application unimu chro na say me akasa krapo no me so mabon say me tawo chi with this application enti for application no ko obi okuta CV osio peduma so on application how can you get a job with CV?
It's not only the all can say yes, loss of self confidence. No,
yes.
And then a man for far kuntra says a police no walk. I just make yes, guys.
Near that day, on a mention because I know some people are almost yan BBF on ma they were able to go through. When we be immigration or buy, I see me man let I didn't do it. We should the call. She's not an immigration officer. Now Okoba no obedamasi. Think he said maybe I went and did something for her. I said no, you go. You don't have to come and thank me because I did nothing. We certificate you at them do call no. Any idea with and I one thing soon say police on my recruitment me the man team almost advertise it.
Yeah, no man.
They always advertise. Anyway, Argentina ye hu adre dia
ye te ya say o ma say someone ma kogu depo ho
ti say omo ya they may be insiders on no chana say obi a ya fa no so ayi to hu format no and why is that no atwa won agigigiska. It's unfortunate.
But why you fast so you handle as somebody bar for no? Was it right so mobile and I say there be you mfa nipa ntimonko. Say bianca every single one of them no ka you detain you omo anko betimi a say me kwaku menu na ka asememra ya mansa na ka asememra kwaku fosu na ka asememra.
Oh, say police efrese omo omo mra ombeba. Say police is very serious sir. Obese omo investigation from Nkofada. If you call them they will come. One am no.
Normally, a better na sadi we say yetimi asia no kwan because recently obi frame me catch me say wotua sika ma papa bi say opeso de ko police ebe police na wanya kwan ama no ni sika so kwa kodine ho nti obede no nsa aka ne sika
me onim police
ebede na etwa
police for bi no so say start recruitment at na o hwe say so say ukuta o kolike so me nti fasika say bra onye hwe o entu ne ma na so konyafo so no waye nkofo ye nkofo bi a yesa minim nkofo ba ma tese nkofo bi eye obaji sika no so onye hwe entu nya wonya nso no do sika ma obi o so obi di sika no so me da koma mpanyufo ba ne nya no unse yentumi ewiase mu no for nyansa kro no for no omo owiase be break ye wo prison no ebroche nya bi wo ho nyansa kro no
nti wodne Matthew text message ya adwen was the corruption is everywhere. Ghana prisons, fire service, police service, armed forces, nursing training, college of education was ni nyina okwa sa ne manema no wo ho.
Oh me enkofo na fa ho every onfa broda ho every akoko obi on no wa transi won se nyansa kronfo no wa transi steady situation na into who say emeridua no start on ho awuram me kai your secondary school you ka koye O level na me suadia na akwa bi ba ofi waek na questions no na say na ya ka koye practicals not the questions bi aba ona me che no o dia che say practicals we so say practicals na be no ye biology masters no na we say na o exhibit say
Experiment na
experiment one no your friend say na o mo di
specimen na
specimens no ebia cockroach lizard onti ohu a no aba osi o ye di lizard beto on mo ye di team be butu on mo ye di we beto on wa steady into the be chewa na feel osi o ale na A2 I say obetu scan mama we years answer na ya sesa results no to nya ope o de chem na grace ope ana say ye the question no be ma no akwansa what na me no so odi ade ba practicals no you can't say beba ni nyina ba no then people got convinced no the questions be by no jiji ska onko for mo but na me no I know say I've learned I just look at the questions so I can answer all these questions one na me no so I didn't depend so much on it because your questions room no ama papa ya jiska iko one na me no but when I saw the question I say I can answer all these questions no eja dey bia e we say me di ma home koto so one enti sankrofo no omwo ho enye no asa be 79 say na make yo over 30 years ago na sankrofo no wo ho enti there are people like that all the situation no
take advantage
one no abeka so minimum krofo bi ono mo betimi ayabo here list ni no a cheche krofo no abo we enti na dey be very careful say obi no ba be jam no twa picture wow onu ba be unimu na onu be twa picture na ogi picture na odiko akoche o hwe madam for no won
madam for pa
wow enti there are people like that
onu na wo ho a otimi fa phone no afre me friend sisi a honorable eyi ni o mi wa unimu honorable kura so a wo friend no say ya mpo say ya mpo
ya meba fie no o de ya brefie na no just say wa convince one no enti there are people like that even international
fraudsters wo
ho international omo yes anima no oni president akoja no twa picture and say obo say entourage bi no odimbi wo me twa picture no odam international front or the dupu nkofo enti e wo ho no enye na be jai o enti the only thing I say if you have lost your self confidence now you fall prey to settings
1441 say wonim bibia yensusu yennim efa sa police nsem a obetumi a text aba but caution no say wo anhwe obi aju sika di kwa ntie no ho asem Yes. What do you best also? But we are near Ghana at 58. No.
Kakra me the best also ni say. Me nua okay, but they call another dimension. Yen kan hu say. Sa frosty enye net and the bio ko secondary school 70s mu nyina no nye twitwa GC mu ne de kaka ho because questions are coliki na we akoye we na we akoye we intino but e bia me for me the new dimension nyema a couple of things have happened the edikai he is alluding to school as say enye say and it probably it's to all intents and purposes it's true if you no obi a school pompa and so brofo kura ontimi ntwero bi letter ontimi ntwero bi e kire say bibi wo ho a enkoyie e wo man yi mu de to so mienu the levels of unemployment the entia we num nyina akoba ne say say adwuma ho ayena ya timu say ye see ebeko IMF ye ti say as part of the conditionalities there is a freeze on public service employment nanti nipa several thousands are omu university omu wi a etie be no omu beye aban entimi mfa omu public sector enya adwuma yie enti no thousands of people are almost university. Adwuma ben pa. Enti no, se omuti se e kwan abeda baabia. They will use political influence. They will obi bana so ka se me na minim tu asika na se yenkoya. Omo beye. Ya kamia ye se asem no ne fari ban pa ne se. Amamuo no se ekoyie. Adwuma wo ho. Obi we university or they say omo national service na so omo be wi a na omo nim se abawie ye no if he say o we national service atwuma bia ni wo obekwa akoye enti no say obi ti ye fa nkofo of fire service ye fa nkofo of police na ye nim se wo ye a person of okay say obi oni kro no by or say of social standing Oh yeah,
influence.
If you're a person of social influence, then they think that you should be able to help. Media, dear mechanic say, the way about this is to ensure say economy ayetimu expanded. E move be. Sabio say adwuma wo ho na say nkofo nim say on their own merit omo betimi akwa. Adan ne wose obi bekwa kotu obi sika ama but nan say adan ye nyina ye hu etada bia genuine police recruitment genuine army military recruitment e bia omo fa nipa 200 obekono na several thousands and are congregating wo ho ekoba ni sa obi aye human instinct sa na nipa nyina atie ene dia ben na metimi aya dia ben na metimi dia ka ho a
metimi ewuram
enti no masa asam no ne fire by ne say omaya ye bu no ye mu na enya yie ye bu na say ye yie a aban betimi afa nipa public private sector no
aso be fa bi
na say economy a ye wo mi e shrinke aban ko IMF ko je conditionalities private sector no adwuma na omo ya na omo nya kane amfa nye nyama abunkam afa omo so a ebe dey no ma fa nipa akwa adwuma.
Yes,
reality. That is the reality we are living with now. What you say?
Oh, you know do no. Say I did down as here, yeah. Mummy nye no without political gimmicks. Oh, minya or kase. IMF and IMF conditionality say there should be freeze on public sector employment. There is no freeze. But no, there is no freeze. And the IMF be bien more what IMF condition say men you for you. But the thing is that you are a capitalist, I'm a capitalist. I'm a capitalist in the Socialist Party. You are a capitalist in the Capitalist Party. Who him say?
Yes, we are social.
I'm a capitalist.
Social democrat.
I'm a capitalist in the Social Democratic Party.
Okay.
But me say, who say in the public sector no, we have establishment. If the establishment has been fulfilled, you don't need to employ more people there. If the person is not there, or the person vacate his post, the person pass on, the person go on retirement. That vacancy aba. Then you replace it. The whole world, America, how many public sector no, government sector no, less than 2% of the whole population. The only thing I say, the private sector is the engine of growth of an economy. And we have to encourage people to establish more businesses to go on their own. That's why we brought this year's project, and Domama is bringing a lot of projects so that private people will go into businesses and try to establish their own companies and then recruit people into the company. But what started say, politics, some of them coming out of the university are going to be helped to establish their own companies so that they will also employ the GSS and the SSS leavers. And this is how we manage the economy.
But so no be arguing to say say system bi wo ho a encourage my existing companies no almost so omontimi ntumpon no mo abi mu afa nipa na eno so be ma
I agree with him say
exactly
such thing must be done away with. I be yeri nyama beto na kwemu a ma economy be expanding. Do so a problem mine. Ebenezer any idea bedu. But at the same time we should not fold our arms. Your doom so ye is even I'm not justifying that. It's even better than Nigeria. Doom 1 month, so 1 week, doom 1 month, so but still Nigeria is moving on. So we should know say this is the problem we are in. Much as the government is trying to do everything to solve the problem, no. We shouldn't fold our arms say because of doing so no, my company should collapse. We should find other alternative means to make sure that our companies move. We shouldn't fold our arms as a country. The Biabedruni, due to certain things, but we have to move on with whatever that we have. Start from where we are. With all the doom, we must move on. So when the thing is restored, the country will move forward more than we have been expecting. Okay. Politics in film. There's a problem that we all must come together to solve.
At our plane.
Yeah, can't wait. And your politics, economics in the air can you? It is an economic fact that the private sector is not growing. At the AGF wrong.
I don't falter you on that. But where you were saying, because of IMF, no.
But it is true that
which is not true.
It is true.
It is not true. It is not true because already, we have fulfilled our establishment and we are doing replacement. The IMF is not telling us that don't do replacement. It is not true. It is politics we are doing.
But new entrants, the moment
new entrants can get in because if the AAOs go on promotion,
then alone,
there will be
then alone.
If the person,
but I'm fair can't.
Minister says, Minister of Agric, promotion be among your directors. Now the deputy directors have been moved to the districts. What I'm saying now, vacancy has been created for deputy directors. So senior agric officers will be promoted to will promote to deputy directors.
Okay.
Then some of them will come, and then there will be vacancy at the place. Then people will be recruited.
Okay.
So it is never an IMF condition.
Yeah, they are no because you know I attended the SASM say IMF.
It is never an IMF condition.
But honorable Yaku,
say you say no. Ebia, you nyame aduma, nyame aduma.
IMF for publishing of condition.
Okay. Honorable Yaku, finally I'm very sorry. 58 years Ghana. Ebinimo simplify na say 58 na che say aka 2 years na your pension. Sana ebinim person mo che no. But in himself mind there you be twam akọ baby bebre but ye de ye emfa to ho kwa 58 ni baby edu. E say Ghana he na wasa ye kọ. E be ye du ni say he na ye so baby edu dem say ye nyina ye nim. E he na wasa ye kọ. Menim say mampani na address no so uti ni speech uti bia bibi mu apese oka and then generally the way I see here celebration no ebinim kra de am say omodi dum so no ho bufo say we kra nka me yenni and menim say ye bufo na ba but I mean that baby ayakwa kodu ni e na ye hwe say ye bekọ ye nim so a ye kọ a menim say 58 years bi beka ho bi mu asabe bia na ye de ni wiase de Ghana na ye pese
yo Basso for woman, you baby knees, I do nyame de bedroom.
Yeah.
Mati nipa eka no bebre. Media de beka ne say. Obia ka se ye kɔ baabia kora na enye no kore. Independence drew ye a ye share pictures de ka ho no. You will say, oh, so offer every sector of our life as Omaya and punto kakra, and I say in punto be aba, offer education mo, offer health mo, offer the Oberfabiano in punto be aba. But take we are see how on. And yes, sir. Bruni what time be a friend of mediocrity. Biara.
Yeah, ni bia.
At the Ubako school. Na ka Ubano Senka Oshe school no suko year. Ko bekwa ko dru pempen so bi pa e wo senka odru. Then I'm say e bia wo agane oba anase agane na anhwe ye anti omani ye. Anase akwada na so anyere ne ho no. Na ayese we drew baby so ase onuru baby neither here nor there.
Enu ase mene enu ase
enu ase mene enu ase
as a bini bisa.
Unfortunately on my ye me dia eye me yapa no. Tike on my Ghana a nation of enormous potential. Enormous. Sabita fracha onyame obo ade boy ye no. Wa anya ye Sahelian. Ebinom te desert asase pesa so far. Esreso crowd ye say na omo dey have a certain economy. Oko Niger no wi a. Eye 3/4 desert. Ensuo to. Omo ni natural resources bi o my Ghana oyetimu. Onyame fa bibia come here. There were 3 zones. There were coastal. There were forest zone. And there was savannah. Nyama etimi was nyama bi owa obetimi ayi was savannah zone. Untimi nya no forest. Nyama bi owa obe no forest a untimi nya no coastal zone. Onyame ati ni nyina akyeye. Onyame ati ni nyina akyeye. Uka natural resources a. Bibia ni wa ye ni bie.
Honorable women spend bibia ni hono be kai ho na no na me mo text message so na yenhwe we say TK good morning. In fact mo say corruption de e wo ba bia na wabo ba bi aboni pa bidini for bibi ntimi mo because when timi anka the crop potin a nipa kono aye TK ka kire MPP ni na honorable Ejako say sa asema ba die politics bia nim. All right, okay. Yo mate Masa Haruna also a Daf fitter. Hey, Daf, if that's all. Daf. Kumasi magazine or TK. All right, you matter. Now, it's anywhere we are corrupt. Okay. Was this will be so far? How many people in the Davis Nungwa? Well, Davis mean to me on top of my head, mean to me can be a post for me to me. Yet is so much depend on which I say in number can and Sunday I can't TK. Why is our homeland Ghana suffering in the hands of people? Ghana is seriously weeping. Maybe it's from Nungwa and TK. Sometimes we force them to take money or bribe them. Now, question was said to Diane, first can hear the call the agenda out the machine. And also so. No, they are Bahasi. Honorable Jacumpacho to us, Mamma.
Yo. Okay, now Obika and I said me starting I place a caveat say we MPP ni NDC as police as me. Now in fact maybe ye cry na ye contribute to into the entry home free maybe I catch no one me. Na make on my item way. Bibia any bibia or maybe be here. Aye no. Ye bi
there was as a pie it me
there was as a pa you will be various baby grofo bi our forest in Kwan or more near maybe it can only do well in the savannah area and maybe what see crowd money be or maybe there is not a major running water body and no
free stroke up from
oh my Ghana what can natural resources mineral wealth de ni enya bia oil yenya bi Africa we South Africa em say you produce gold pa you produce manganese your bauxite em say Guinea enko a na twa yen cocoa em say Ivory Coast enko a na twa. In fact it is said say ye cocoa no kwa any premium and any benchmark ya fa Ghana cocoa ya fa Ghana cocoa ne di obia de atoto ho bia ye do ni o onyame susu aya yadom tachu ta na bronima mo onyame ma nunko si sumla so me bi sida eto da bia no wate se oman bi so na earthquake si na nipa 1000 awu na major mudslide na landslide na si oman mo ha onyame aya yadom major na aya ayire so ya sinsu ato ana nipa nsia ana nipa duawu
ana say Joshua Central Medical Stores
ya niema e dia se gote
ana say Joshua Central Medical Stores
na say yes
ya ko say ade
yes major natural disasters onyame ti yen beto hey bi see yes be in the 30s and a slight earthquake BC and cry ha
kakre bi no kwesi
ebinum register 8.7 on the Richter scale ya de no tremors enti no uka we nyina fu a wo bisa se enti no de onyame de ma yen no ehu akonta ne ebetimi akobu ama no eno na meka se da bi se nka ye na nka ye natural resources Yeni natural resources, even human capital. It is says that Ghana for ako school oko Africa ha. Quality of our education e bia enen na say. But in the past, the quality of our education was much better than everybody else's.
Yeah, ribro for by a trouble for so.
Ebe si nakura ya say atete asaya pansami. Hwe da me wura na mo ale abaka senya yenuanom alatafo ani Equatorial Guinea ni omo nyina omo trusty kroma na ukoko hostels ya omo nko a yesi asay atete apansam no mpo anu ni o achese onyame bibia ke yebehia ade amayen no yenya
aka ye de na onuamra mu bi hese de na aka
ntino eba ni sei masa ade a me no se bio wo akwada bi na se ni tiri ani amoa no na se okọ school na se wa anya de bebra wa wonim se akwada no tiri ani amoa no ntino okọ na se class no o me be 36 na se yes wadi 18 wadi 20 a
o fa ne se saa
me aminim se bebei ebia ni ti ani amoa no ebia osa no esoro keka no dodo ntine tiri na dwene no o be fa ne saa you are able to but who are kwada pa na say or your first class student
no kotutu papa so
na say okona say okotutu papa so a me de me eyawo a me di ama o my Ghana no senka adia onyame di achayen asase onyame di achayen adwene onyame di achayen adamudia onyame di achayen no basa ni senka be bia ye ginen
me ma unu ababa me fa ne se de wo kan ne reminder say ye wododo enti maye ntratra ho nya ne ye that is the import of it
too much is given
much is required
much is expected me dia me tike na hwe o ma ya timoy atada bia na ye ka say at independence Nancy, I'm making kind of book be a friend of the politics. Okay, but I'll just finish this. They make kind of book be a friend of the politics of Ghana by Dennis Austin. Opening at the end. Abrofuna omu free krom hano. Na omani daso se. Ghana de ye down to. Abrofu omu bedi yesu kata yesu miemu yesu nyina no. They knew say this country had such potential.
Are they surprised now?
Inti abani say ayene day. Enu wasem de usi.
Na mole.
Yo, me da say.
I quite to say football be a sister you see so idea. oba of world stage oba to say Pele.
That one year for TK Ghana 58. Mebo Ghana baso say it to me about abedu sa even though sina many jakwa kano ka I see realizing more than realize no but at the same time no me feel say yaya de pa yaya de na ye dia yaya de no nke se ba this side no from Accra to Bogatanga na Accra to Pagano I see it me speed train be betimi dey akọ but eno no eni ho no mo but as at in the 80s, you know, now Accra to Bogatanga, it take you 3 days. And then one day, at least we could do Bogatanga. It's an improvement. Not the expected one, but it's an improvement. At the time, Abafu Efian Usako, now university send you, and then you invest your Yakwa infrastructure, that to head of police, head of immigration, head of prisons, only in Ghana for. We have ministers in Ghana for, special advisors in Ghana for. Just remember, be one man to say. Ghana for nkasa na eden much as say kesi to me enya more than say yesi enya no but me disappointment ba ko ni say the entire to me enya yanko ani bebre say na esi ekono economic factors bi a yenya no right one Kwame Nkrumah ba no or starting state enterprises it is good one am no that socialist we say no accelerate the growth of the country but at the same time no he should have floated shares for private individuals to buy shares. And I no so no. Niente ani pima banisa no. Ono so koye one party state. You dey call parliament legal. By law. Parliament they pass one party state. Niente mrase no enye illegal. One party state so ama freedom of expression so anye den. Ama obi an kese obi o twasa no. E betuma hu na chi.
Ti be na legal but not proper.
Legal and proper.
Ade proper.
Ade akọ parliament aba de legal.
Ade wo hye mra wie na se mra na mfa papa ma se
proper. It was legal and proper. But at the same time no, and also dia abro kakra in the sense say ama freedom of expression, divergent views no, and to be ama nti ka ya economy nko body that state enterprise thing na no. And like or hand over to the private sector na. One am chana said by floating shares no. But say individual better take but who's go for state enterprise. Of course say or man S7 no instead of you serving the country no. Enti management na ayebasa. Utumi yin na jinsu tinsu for so on obi am adwuma uko yin just say hey because yare na adwuma no punish me. But the private sector they will oh adwuma or can say then or you were this is where we had it wrong. But me bigger disappointment Ghana USA and other chop bar or constituency. Now President Mama I promise you say by the time will be free end of 2016 now their own airline. That is my disappointment. But to me as a country we have moved forward but we are falling short of the Benkesi but they are quite him but you know baby I said more room for improvement
more room
for improvement
but say room for improvement no cost such improvement now not just no
there's more room for improvement but him
okay well for more room for improvement we my nyina na niam mienu ne nyina yem fa ntu etrim one o kwa akọ pe police a obetimi akọ wa ntu esika mu bi ebetimi afaw meti he minim nipa bi o makọ police o ntu akapra mankrofo they are there nipa bi o makọ pa adwuma o ntu esika mu bi they are there saa de na nyina de ahye etrim say o kọ pe no wa hu obi a saa de no mu yehwe ne yi aha na emwaye eno ne mamma o kwa kotuatua esika mankrofo no o kwa kọ wie nipa kọ no nim so ntumi mfaw yem fa hye etim 258 yabo modern de enso bi wo ho a or say ye. Honorable Niamasana Mwale MP for la Dekotopon constituency. La Dekotopon. Aha, wakani na. Da Dekotopon. And Honorable Emmanuel Chemate Eja Akunebeka and MP. I also West Wogon constituency. Aha.
I almost deal. Nipa no moti honom ni nyina da dekotopon ni nyina the greater da dekotopon
I see this is nyina
asase ni nyina ye dia virtually ya kwa kopim ayi mensa
okay
I see so o metua hwe
Kawo MP here oh. Na mi kita we.
Yes, sorry. Give me about Mrs. Opon Ukre Ura Kwesipon Wokumasi. Good morning. Have a lovely day. And we say you enjoy the program. Ochilanya me aduma. Ye be say e share bi your match mu ne wono. Ye nsuan se nyina no ye be match wono. Kai say Easter ye afi Easter no. A third April. And you will say in the morning. The budget is sky. So about corner bill. About corner invoice that I say, oh, I'm saying for a pay more tell me and my message with the master.
Baba wa jinsa Ghana penny a mobile baby a generator. Hey, Ghana Danny Niger. Ghana Danny Niger.